Title: The Art of Sabr, Cultivating Patience in Islam. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Today, we are diving into the beautiful concept of sabr in Islam, the virtue of patience and perseverance in the face of trials and tribulations. In this video, we'll explore the significance of sabr in Islam, its benefits, and practical tips on how to cultivate patience in our daily lives. 1. Understanding the concept of sabr in Islam. Sabr is not just about being patient in times of adversity, it's about remaining steadfast in faith and maintaining a sense of calmness and humility. The Quran mentions sabr numerous times, highlighting its importance as a virtue that brings us closer to Allah and strengthens our faith. 2. The benefits of sabr. Sabr is a means of seeking Allah's pleasure and reward. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "How marvelous is the affair of the believer, for his affairs are all good, and this applies to no one but the believer. If something good happens to him, he gives thanks, and that is good for him. If something bad happens to him, he bears it with patience, and that is good for him." Cultivating sabr helps us develop resilience, self-control, and an attitude of gratitude even in challenging circumstances. 3. Practical tips on cultivating sabr. Make dua, supplication, for patience. Ask Allah to grant your sabr in times of difficulty and to help you remain steadfast in faith. Seek knowledge. Study the stories of the prophets and the companions who exhibited immense sabr in the face of adversity. Their examples can inspire and motivate us to emulate their patience. Remember the reward. Keep in mind the promise of Allah for those who practice sabr, great reward in this life and the hereafter. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on the blessings around you, even amidst challenges. This can help shift your perspective and foster patience. Engage in acts of worship. Turn to prayer, dhikr, remembrance of Allah, and reading the Quran during times of distress. Connecting with Allah strengthens our spiritual resilience and helps us endure difficulties with sabr. Seek support. Surround yourself with a community of believers who can provide moral support and encouragement during tough times. Conclusion. In conclusion, sabr is a fundamental aspect of faith in Islam. By cultivating patience, we not only strengthen our relationship with Allah but also develop inner resilience and emotional well-being. As we face life's trials and tribulations, let us strive to embody the virtue of sabr and trust in Allah's wisdom and plan for us. May Allah grant us the strength to navigate challenges with grace and patience. Jazalika khair for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Remember, the journey to cultivating patience is a continuous process, and it's okay to stumble along the way. Stay committed to practicing sabr, seek guidance from the Quran and Sunnah, and trust in Allah's divine wisdom.